In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google account on your Android phone. Now, you're going to need a Google account in order to access certain applications like the Play Store. So all we need to do is first head over to your Samsung home screen, and then you need to scroll down and click on the settings. From the settings page, scroll down again and click on Accounts and Backup. Now select Manage Accounts and click on the Add Account button. You'll then just need to select Google from the list of options. Now, if you already have a Google account, you can just go and sign in with your details, but to create a new Google account, click on the Create Account button at the bottom of this page. You'll then need to select one of the options. I'm going to click on For My Personal Use. You can then go and enter your first name and also surname. You can then press Next at the bottom of this page. Now go and enter your date of birth. Also select your gender and then press Next. Now you'll need to create a username for your account, and this is also going to be the username for your Gmail account as well. Once you've entered a username, go and press Next. You'll then need to create a password for your account, and once you've entered the password, go and select Next. You'll then have the option to add a phone number. Now I'm just going to scroll down and click on Skip at the bottom of this page. You can always decide to add this at a later date. Now click on Next. Choose how you want to set up your Google account. I'm going to select Choose in one step and click on Next. You can then scroll down to the bottom and click on Accept All. Scroll down to the bottom again and click on Confirm. You can then scroll down once again and agree to the terms and conditions. Now just wait a few minutes while that sets up your Google account. Once it's finished, you'll have the option to back up your data. Now I'd recommend keeping this turned on, and then you can press Accept at the bottom of this page. As you can see, our Google account has now been added to our Android phone, and what you can do is go and head back over to the home screen. You can then open up the Play Store. You'll then need to go and agree to the terms of service, and as you can see, we can now start downloading apps directly from the Play Store. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.